Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. After a bit of a break, I'm excited to jump back into coding something awesome with you. Today we're going to be building a super fast chatbot. And not just any chatbot, this one will be fastest one than before. So, let's hope in. Okay, let's get started. First, we need to head over to Replit project and set up the bot. So let's begin with Discord bot token. For creating your Discord bot, go to this link and follow what I do. I forget to tell you that the bot Replit project is in Linkvertise. Check description box and enable bot intents over the bot tab. Then after getting your bot token, go back to Replit and place it over here. Now, let's set up Groq API key. First, go to this link and register an account to get your API key. Finally, let's run the Replit project and invite the bot to the server. And in this video, I want to thank the sponsor of this video, Okto. Okto is a super-powered AI chatbot that you can add to your Discord server and interact with in some pretty incredible ways. Okto is more than just a chatbot. It can do all sorts of amazing things. It can hold natural conversations. Okto can chat with you like a real person, answer your questions, and even tell jokes. It learns as you interact with it, making each conversation more engaging. Generate custom images. Okto can create unique images from scratch based on your descriptions. Whether you want a picture of a dragon in a suit or a robot playing the piano, Okto can bring your imagination to life. Find and share content. Ask Okto to find you anything on the web, videos, music, news articles. It can do it all. Start private chat sessions. Okto lets you create dedicated chat threads for focused conversations. It can be a great way to work on projects with a group or just have a private conversation with a friend. Take on different personas. You can even tell Okto to act like a specific character. It can respond in their unique style and voice, making for a truly immersive experience. 441. I've been having a blast playing with Okto, and I think you will too. Be sure to check out the link in the description to add Okto to your server today. Invite link in description